Yeah, it's actually Facebook, and for those of you who don't have any understanding with Facebook advertising, Facebook will generate a score within the first 500 people reached. That is called relevancy. It's on a scale of 1 to 10. That relevancy score basically establishes your cost per click. So if your relevancy is high, that means there's a lot of engagement, there's a lot of click-throughs. In our case, our lead capture funnel captures 50% of those clicks. So if you're having lots of clicks, that's a lot of opportunities captured, and that's going to be a combination of leads coming in. We actually segment these leads into different categories, from partial, extremely partial, and address-only submission, to a contact, which would have information about that person, their email, social media profile information, information about their home and time for selling, and then a full submission, which should also include a name, phone number, and potentially a time they'd like to be contacted. So relevancy, once you get that, is something that can last indefinitely. We've seen it last for more than a year, so it's so important to see what type of relevancy is in that target market, and there's no better way to do that than on a trial basis, so you're not locked into a particular campaign. You can test out multiple areas, A/B test them, see where that relevancy is, and then at that point, it's just a matter of creating systems, automation, integrating your business follow-up systems, because we're talking about the fact that most of these guys are going to sell in the next 90 to 180 days. Okay, so we really need to work on those touch points to start and generate those conversations, so when the time has come, you're going to be the person they choose. You're the local trusted realtor.